Hey guys, welcome back with another video. In this episode, we are going to build a website. Let's say you have a store and you want to start selling online. You can start selling with this website. If you don't already have any product to sell, you can start dropshipping using AliExpress. With just a click of a button, you can start importing products from AliExpress to our website. From our website, we can send our product to eBay. We can send product to Facebook Shop. eBay and Facebook Shop has an abundance of users who already are familiar with purchasing products online. When they purchase products from us, we are going to get paid. Then from our website, with just a click of a button, we can start fulfill the order automatically on AliExpress. From AliExpress, AliExpress will ship the products for us, and they will update the customer with the tracking numbers. This is one of the most efficient ways to start up a dropshipping business, because you don't have to waste a lot of money on advertising and trying to get the first order. eBay has so much users that's already familiar with buying stuff online, and with this way you can start making some money and create a new revenue for your home business. Okay guys, I already create a few tutorials showing you guys how to install the Millennial website. It's very affordable, and yeah, try it out. It's very affordable compared to Shopify and other online platform. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.